Hi, I'm Hee-young. I was born and raised in Busan, and I moved around Korea and the rest of the world. The more I explore the world, the more I feel such a deep attachment to my root and feel proud about what being cultivated in this local community, especially food-wise. And I would love to share this unique food scene of Busan with you through drinking, cooking, and dining. When you're in Busan, aka Korea's seafood capital, you gotta try some seafoods from Jagarchi Market. Every time we come here to get the freshest seafoods in town. Today, we are not just making food, we are sharing our time around table, chatting, cooking, eating together. It's a big part of Korean life.
I learned that Busan's unique flavor palette comes from the war and when Koreans from different regions came down here and brought their local recipes with them. Also, there was an American influence as well with the ingredients that they brought over during the relief efforts. I thought that was very interesting. The Jong tasting was great. I thought a very important part of this class was the quality of the ingredients. Being able to taste each homemade sauce on its own really helped you appreciate the flavors that they had. It was very different from a product that you would buy in a store or even a very nice restaurant that you would go into. I thought it was great.
Yeah, so for today's class, we had a chance to try some Korean foods, but the local Busan version. And not only trying those foods, but also pairing them with some local drinks, like Busan's makgeolli, sangtak, and also some local tea. So overall, it was a really cool experience.
So after our cooking class, we toured the local market to see all of the quality ingredients that we use for our recipes. And it's a really cool experience. The market's so lively and energetic, and you can really see Korean culture come to life.
Enjoy learning Busan's food culture and flavor with Busan cooking class.